Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 1 plus 1 times 1 divided by 1 times 1 plus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. And the 2 times 1 equals 2. Okay? Again, here we have these parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we have 1 plus 1, which equals 2. And 1 times 2, again, equals 2. So we have 2 divided by 2 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have 2 parentheses and 2 multiplications and 1 division. Here and here we have 2 multiplications because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this parentheses, then this multiplication, then this division, and finally this multiplication. Okay, if we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. First, we have to do parentheses. When we have more than one parenthesis in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So first, this parentheses. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So we have 2 times 1 divided by 1, then times this parentheses. Now we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 1 plus 1, which equals 2. So we have 2 times 1 divided by 1, then times 2. Okay? Now, we have to work from left to right. First, this multiplication. 2 times 1 is just 2. So we have 2 divided by 1, then times 2. Now we have to do this division. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. So we have 2 times 2, which equals 4. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 4.